Good day everyone, it's David here, RFShop. So I did my test to demonstrate and explain how Cel-Fi works, how you set it up, and that it actually really works if you look at the difference in the RSRP, so that's the actual received power. Another question that I get a lot, and I actually don't know the answer, I just want to test it now, is Cel-Fis are known to be really good for voice. But what happens on data? You get, in my specific example here, the Teltonika definitely has a stronger signal, so that's awesome, really happy with that. But does it do anything that you want it done for your data speed, or is it just basically the data speed is there or thereabouts anyway? So what I want to do is first I have my Cel-Fi up and running through this Poynting XPOL-2 using only one of the cables, so the Cel-Fi is boosting whatever comes from Second Valley on the north. Of course my Teltonika is picking that signal up. As you can see here on the screen, it says -71 dBm signal RSRP, so really strong signal, but the signal to noise and so forth is not so wonderful. So I'll just do a speed test with that connection as it is. What I want to do is see if an external antenna can actually give you something that is otherwise that external antenna plus modem versus that same antenna on a Cel-Fi. So let's see, our throughput test is up is 4.6, 4.7. So what I'll do, first test is I'm just going to kill the Cel-Fi, well not kill it, just turn the power off, have nothing come out of it, so that no longer operates. I just have a baseline for the Teltonika just in this same position. What do I get? So first of all, our signal refresh definitely dropped 112, -112, so that's not good, that's not great. So see what the Teltonika can do with that kind of signal. And I'm not moving it, I could move it around and just see if I can get a bit of signal, but I just want to do this test with the same setup exactly as it is. Pinging is still 20 seconds, not bad. Download, interesting. That's interesting, isn't it? Download is 3. That actually is still working. Pretty much the same. Upload to 2.3. So 2.6. So download is 3.5. Upload is 2.2. Man, if you ask me, the Cel-Fi improved the signal strength. It didn't do really anything to our data speeds. So now the real crux is take the same antenna, which is going to stay the way it is. So that's the XPOL-2 that I use to feed into the actual Cel-Fi. That same cable, put that into my modem, so that I get the same signal that the Cel-Fi got to boost. If I just plug that into my modem. Okay, I'm connected. There we go. So the modem is using external antenna. We do a refresh on our signal, -107. Signal to noise 4.7 positive. That might be really important. So let's just do a test. Speed test, go. But so the setup is here. I actually just keep rolling, so it's continuously live. I'm really trying not to make things sway completely my way. I just really want to be open and honest about what you can get. Oh shit. I should have said that on the camera, should I? It's awesome. Oh. Alright, so what we got? 15 down, 8 up. Yeah, what do I say? If you have an external antenna and you have a modem, you might want to look at doing just that. If it's for data only, because it's I've kind of always felt this has to be the way. There's a lot to it. So basically a Cel-Fi would be single channel, so you don't have MIMO anymore. It boosts, but it boosts everything. So if there's bad signal to noise, you don't actually get the MIMO feature from the modem to able to get a better signal out of this. So I think the signal to noise that's so much stronger to me is the biggest improvement that you get. it kind of shows this is onto something here. So I'm really excited. I don't know what the reaction is going to be on this video, but man, get a modem, a good modem, get a good audio antenna, you get your throughput, your data would be perfect. Voice, yeah, that's the next problem. But if you can use Wi-Fi calling, as I did in the previous video, you actually will get your phone up and running again. So I have a Vodafone phone right now. It would be totally useless on a Vodafone network because there's nothing here. But I enable my Wi-Fi calling. This unit is producing a nice little Wi-Fi network I can use anywhere around this modem. I'm happy. I'm super stoked. That's it for me. I'm gonna go for my dive now after this, because we're at Rapid Bay, so you have to go underwater for a while. Other than that, please subscribe to our channel. Let us know if you have any questions. Let us know if you have any suggestions, if you have any comments. I think this is the future. This is where things are going, is data. It's all about data. Yeah, visit our website, rfshop.com.au. There's a phone number, there's an email address, there's a pop-up chat feature that you can use. If we're not there behind the computer, please leave your name and detail, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye. Man!